Always do the fingernail test after water damage before you do the repair, because a lot of times there's some lifted or loose areas of the paint and drywall paper that you don't see with your eyes, but you can hear when you go over the hollow sections. Use a spray can of Kills to seal any dusty surface off. This ensures that you'll get good adhesion from your joint compounds and drywall tape, and you're not going to have any issues having to go back and cut out sections that didn't adhere properly. Subscribe for more drywall tips. Thanks for watching.